Welcome to the ultimate playbook on how to crush it in the tech world using LinkedIn. LinkedIn isn't just some dusty old job board, it's your secret weapon to building a rock-solid personal brand and connecting with the movers and shakers in tech. We're diving deep into optimizing your profile, networking like a boss, and using LinkedIn to land that dream job. Get ready to take some notes. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital first impression, so make it count. Imagine a recruiter stumbling upon your profile. What do they see? A blurry selfie from your cousin's wedding 5 years ago? No way. You need a professional headshot that screams, "I'm here to win." Don't just write software engineer. Spice it up. Try something like passionate software engineer building the future of AI. This isn't the time to be humble. Brag about your accomplishments, your skills, and what makes you unique. List every single technical skill you've got. Python, Java, React, you name it, and get those endorsements. They can make a world of difference. Now, it's time to talk about networking. LinkedIn is all about connecting with the right people. Don't be afraid to send out those connection requests. Connect with recruiters, hiring managers, people at your dream companies, and industry leaders you admire. But don't just connect and ghost. Engage with their content, leave thoughtful comments, and show them you're not just there to collect connections. Join industry-specific groups, participate in discussions, and become a familiar face. Building relationships takes time and effort, but it's the secret sauce to unlocking hidden job opportunities. LinkedIn isn't just for lurking in the shadows, it's time to step into the spotlight and share your brilliance with the world. Content is king and consistency is key. Share your thoughts, insights, and experiences in the tech industry. Write articles about the latest trends in AI, share your coding journey, or post about that awesome conference you attended. Show your personality, be authentic. People connect with people, not robots. The more active you are, the more visible you become. Start creating content that makes people stop scrolling and say, "Damn, this person knows their stuff." Let's talk about landing that dream job. LinkedIn's job search feature is your secret weapon. Use those filters to narrow down your search by location, industry, experience level, you name it. But here's the pro tip: don't just rely on the job board. Use LinkedIn to connect with recruiters and hiring managers directly. Send them a personalized message expressing your interest in the company and the position. Show them you've done your research and you're not just mass applying to every job posting. Set up job alerts, that way you'll be the first to know when your dream job becomes available. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. You're not just another cog in the machine, you're a unique individual with your own story to tell. It's time to build a personal brand that sets you apart from the competition. Your personal brand is your reputation, your legacy. Share your insights, your passions, your unique perspective. Position yourself as a thought leader in your field. Post about industry events, share your thoughts on the latest tech news, and don't be afraid to get a little controversial. People want to connect with those who are passionate, knowledgeable, and authentic. Show the world what you're made of. Let's talk about social proof. In the digital world, your reputation is everything. Build credibility with glowing recommendations from people you've worked with. Reach out to colleagues, managers, clients, or anyone who can speak to your skills and work ethic. Ask them to write you a recommendation on LinkedIn. And don't forget to return the favor. Recommend people you've enjoyed working with. Recommendations are like gold on LinkedIn. They add that extra layer of trust and credibility to your profile. Start racking up those recommendations. Congratulations, you've made it to the final chapter. By now, you should have a killer LinkedIn profile, a solid network, and a content strategy that's on fire. But LinkedIn isn't a set it and forget it kind of platform. You've got to stay active. Think of it like going to the gym. Consistency is key. Make it a habit to check in on LinkedIn daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Engage with your network, share some content, and stay top of mind. The LinkedIn game is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, stay consistent, and keep crushing it. There you have it, the ultimate blueprint for using LinkedIn to level up your tech career. By following these steps, you'll transform your LinkedIn profile from zero to hero. You'll become a magnet for recruiters and attract job offers like crazy. But remember, success on LinkedIn takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep showing up, keep adding value, and keep building those relationships. Trust me, the hard work will pay off. Now go out there and crush it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing career advice. I'll see you at the top.